guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Miss Little Wonder. So today is our last day and that's our 4th day. And then we're planning to go for boat trip. So we're going to port and check it out if there's any boat available for, boat party on our own. So guys, see you there.
Days I'm on the water.
I am
3 days.
so
Three?
now I'm
Been partying
in
since
the
8 days now.
restaurant with my
Great.
friends, and it's called La Mesa, and it seems like it's a good food. So we are waiting for it to serve. So there's no boat party going because we're only 4 people, and then the price is like, how much was the price of the boat?
9,000.
9,000, and we're just 4 bucks, but the maximum is like 20 bucks. So it's not worth it if it's only 4 of us. So we rather just stay here in Siargao and hang around in beach. But around 3 p.m. we're going to the party, and it's called Wake Park. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you around and I will show you the party I was going on. So stay tuned. So hi guys, after we eat our brunch for today, our last day, so we are going here in a resort of Siargao named Bravo, and it is a beach resort. They have a restaurant and they also have a pool. I think it's accessible for public, so we're going there to have a chill day before we go to the another place that's called Wake Party. And so that's it for today. Okay, I'll see you again later on.
The cook had no idea. Alright, meanwhile, the side of the water, going up. Using the kicker into the lake. There we go.
What? They go to the second part.
Yeah, what is in there?
I didn't know that.
Can you go check?
Go check.
entry. Only on there 50-50. Successful. With science here, with a big round of applause for him. He's going into the air. Ready. Let's hype him up. One for the kicker. Cheeky 180. Alright, keep going back. Big front roll. Alright, make some noise with the people. First front side roll entry. On to the kicker. 180. Keeping it easy there. Meanwhile, Cecilia. Nicely landed. One more lap for Kian. Kian used to be the operator here. And then he pursued his career as tattoo artist. So if you want a tattoo in GL, look for Kian. Best in the game there. And great wakeboarder as well. Let's go. One more. What's it gonna be? Front roll. Alright, that's it. Make some noise for Kian. Two front, two fakie. Whoa, passing the handle there, making it. Alright.
Yeah, they're good. Like, they've done this many years now, I think.
John D, also a great surf instructor through Harana Surf School. Maybe some of you were there yesterday. Always a great party on Saturday. And back going up. And the highest we've seen so far. Make some noise for John D, people.
Take a try.
Alright, pull up to the middle. Take it easy. Warming up. Wait for the entry. Alright, pull up. Make some noise. All fine.
Oh, bottoms up. Bottoms up. How about you? You have to do it with him. You have to do it with him.
Same bottom.
I love yours. Wait.
That was very good.
Come on, bottoms up.
Come on, Cal.
Make it.
And then the other bottom, okay? No.
You didn't finish
No.
it.
Yeah, go. That shit full.
What is name? Colin Dog? Colin Duty. He's so big. You're so scary to pet. You're so scary to pet. Look at his face.
Delicious, huh? Tapos natalikod ka. Ayan.
So big.
Mahaba-haba to. Precision to. Oh, hala.
Alfia. Ano yan?
Ayan na. Ay, popost ko dyan sa gilid, tapos goodbye na.